In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find CPR in TradingView. The Central Pivot Range, or CPR, is a compact set of reference levels that helps you visualize potential support, resistance, and the market's balance for the session. Think of it as a framework for context. It doesn't tell you what to buy or sell, but it can make your planning clearer and your risk management more disciplined. Start on any price chart in TradingView: stocks, crypto, futures, or Forex, whatever you track. With the chart open, look to the top of the screen and click the Indicators button. This opens TradingView's search window, where you can find built-in tools and a huge library of community scripts. In the search bar, type CPR. After a brief moment, you'll see results populate. Or you're looking for community scripts that implement the Central Pivot Range. Popular options include CPR, Central Pivot Range by Ajith Shpas, which is widely used and quite comprehensive. Simple CPR for intraday index trading by Finally Nightin, a lean choice that keeps customization straightforward, and CPR by KGS, known for reliable, automatic updates as new sessions roll in. Take a moment to read the brief descriptions and glance at the preview thumbnails so you know how each script plots the central band and its surrounding ranges, and how labels are displayed. When you've found a script that fits your style, click it to add it to your chart. You'll immediately see the CPR levels overlay your existing view. Typically, there's a central band, the pivot, flanked by upper and lower ranges. These bands help you judge whether price is staying within a balanced area, pressing an upper or lower edge, or stretching toward a breakout. If your chart looks a bit crowded at first, zoom in or pan to get a cleaner look at the labels and levels. Most CPR scripts adapt to your current time frame and chart type, so you can keep the view you already prefer. If you don't see much at first, it may simply be that the price scale or zoom is hiding the lines. A small adjustment usually brings them into focus. As you start using CPR, remember a few practical insights. A narrower CPR often suggests a day that could see bigger directional moves, while a wider CPR can hint at a more rotational session. Regardless, treat CPR as a guide rather than a signal, and combine it with your existing approach to trend, momentum, volume, and risk. Well, that's all there is to it. Open a chart, open indicators, search CPR, choose a community script, and add it. You're all set to bring more structure to your analysis in TradingView.